I got some deliveries, and this time it is from The Cravings by BCL. The Cravings by BCL is one of the newest addition that would really satisfy our cravings. They take pride of their homemade pitas and nachos, in which it is freshly made every day. And their best sellers are their nachos as well as their shawarma wraps. And they make their own sauces too, and what I really like is ila sa dyan separate ang sauce o wala nila gibutang kuyog sa nachos to maintain the crispiness. And let's talk about affordability. You can have these tacos for only 85 pesos and this 3 pork shawarma for only 160 pesos. To order, you may message the official social media accounts of The Cravings by BCL here in Facebook as well as in Instagram. And this is it na guys. Let's put the sauces on top of the tacos para musugod na taog kaon. Mag-picture pa on taco pero marag naglaway magkuoy. So for that, mga sa ta guys. What I really like, basta usually homemade or freshly made, hagpok jud kayo ang tacos bisag madugayan siya gamay. And now let's have their pork shawarma. Lami jud kaayo siya. And then again, I would like to emphasize, you can have this 3 shawarma for only 160 pesos. And sulit jud kaayo siya, and the sauce is really tasty too. Overflowing ang sauce and overflowing sa gyud ang meat up to the end. Pero balikan sa nako ang tacos kadyot. But then again guys, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts and continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!